you from?
Germany. I'm half Dutch, half British, but I was born in Belgium.
Netherlands, according to BBC, one of the happiest places in the world.
And why did you come all the way to Utrecht? What are you trying to find here?
Because I found out about the study program Creative Business, and I've been to Utrecht a couple times and I really liked it here. Because I've always had like this entrepreneurial spirit, but I wanted to combine it with creativity. And I also liked that it was international because I went to an international school. So I still wanted something that kept me in the multicultural environment.
And what do you think of the open day?
It's really nice so far. I'm really amazed by the university. It's so cool. We just had a presentation from an international student, and he came from Romania, and of course he came here having never experienced being in the Netherlands.
What I think they should do first, start getting informed. Start talking with the university you're interested in. Ask them to put you in contact with the student, because we all do that. We all want to help and we all want to share our experiences. And then if you have the time and the budget, just visit the open day, because here it's exactly where you come to see if this program is on your fit, if you would be part of this, and if it's actually something that you like to do.
I think I feel a lot more informed now, and I can make a better decision, because having it heard from someone who has first-hand experience, it's a lot easier than just seeing it online. But I so want to go here now, like it's really, really hard.